How you doing? It's Lisa. Sorry, rough entry for Sunday, but I have a reveal. I recently was able to get my hands on the new Opus 88 Bela in red. This pen comes also in blue and green. I don't really talk about packaging. You got your standard, really nice engraved pen sleeve or card case sleeve, and then it comes in a really nice black box, and it has a magnetic lid clasp that you open up, and it reveals the pen. Let's get it so you guys can see it. So this is the red version of the Opus 88 Bela. I did another recording of this video and it didn't work out so well, and I had all the stats down for the pen, but I got mine from Endless Pens. It comes with the literature for the pen and how to fill it up. And this is my first piston filling fountain pen. I've never owned one before, and I thought that this would be really cool. So it is a eyedropper. Sorry, I said piston fill. Incorrect. This is my first eyedropper pen. So this is the eyedropper. It's a glass eyedropper. And then the pen itself is this beautiful red version. And the red is, the colors are based on the window color. The blue is absolutely gorgeous, and so is the green, but this one has a red window. There you go. Really beautiful band. It has the Opus 88 inscription on the clip. The clip is a very sturdy clip. The finial cap here is a lovely brown with ivory tones to it. And then the release knob for this, did I say piston fill? I meant eyedropper, is a lovely white ivory and brown cap, which this controls the release mechanism for the pen. The pen is a lightweight pen. It weighs 34 grams, so it's fairly light, kind of beefy, show it out, kind of beefy here in the middle. It's a nice chunky pen, but it's actually really lightweight. I find that once it's even filled with ink, I feel like it's going to be really light in hand. It has a Bach nib, so this is my first fine point. Sorry, let me see if I can get you in focus. Fine point Bach nib. So I really am going to enjoy this because I've never written with the Bach nib. All of my nibs, I think, to date have been Yovo nibs. So this is number 6, so it's got a really good size nib, and as you can see, it's a plastic feed. The grip section on this pen is nice. The threads over here up at the top part don't really bother my hand because I would grip it down further below like this. So I'm having no issues with this pen right now. It's good size. Seems to be very well balanced in my hand. So without further ado, posting. You can post this pen, although I find that I would be a little bit hesitant knowing that it's a eyedropper pen, and I think that as such I don't want to mistakenly release it too much, so I'm gonna leave the cap off on this one. But you can post. Makes it kind of heavy or back end heavy when you post it, so definitely for me I will not be posting. And yeah, stainless steel nib. I'm gonna go back to my dining room table, and I'll show you a writing sample briefly of what it looks like with the Copper Noir ink from Montfredi. Alright. Okay. Guys, I had to flush the nib. Okay, so this is the, there we go, that's some info there. So we got a little bit for you. So this is the Opus 88 Bela red, and this is a stainless steel pine nib, and I am writing with very faintly Montfredi little bit of feedback. Overall, very smooth pen though. Let me just open up the ink for a little bit more. Yeah, I like it. I think that as I get used to, this is my first eyedropper pen, so it's a little bit faint right now. I think once the juices really get going in it, it'll be really quite nice pen. But I overall really do like this pen. Let's see here. Pretty smooth. Yeah. I was going to use a red ink, but I don't really have any. I discovered to like match the pen. But I think the Copper Noir from Mount Verde is actually a good fit. Maybe a little bit more punchier on this, but this pen definitely would recommend to anyone who's looking for Opus 88 or their first eyedropper pen. I feel like it's a pretty good experience. I would say, like everybody always says, to flush the nib first. That actually did help open it up and kind of whatever residue was sitting in there. Oops. It's kind of a nice kind of wetness. It's not a dry ink kind of pen. This is really lovely actually. So I'm really looking forward to putting it in my collection. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave any comments below. If you guys have a favorite Opus 88 pen, let me know what it is and what you've got it inked up with and how often you use it. And I really do appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Talk to you later.